Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to make an unbiased and honest review. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Blishy online platform. Blishy is basically a clothing selling platform that majorly focus on selling the women clothing, and they also have a bestseller tab, and in which we can see that most of the pictures of the products that are uploaded on their site are plagiarized because they have stolen those kind of pictures from some other stores. Apart from this, if we look at the trust score of Blishy company on Trustpilot, they have a very negative score, which is just 1.4 out of 5 stars, which is a really bad and raises high concerns about the originality of this product. And if we look at few of the reviews, most of the people are not satisfied with purchasing this products from this website. As you can see, almost 94% of the people have rated it only 1 star out of 5, and most of the people are complaining in the reviews that they were unable to return the product, and whatever they ordered was not actually the same as it was shown in their website. So in conclusion, I would say that this website or this company is totally a scam, and you should not buy from this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other website or product, just do let me know in the comments below. I'll try to make reviews of as much products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I've created a document that will help you out to do the research and qualify the platforms on your own. So do check out the document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.